Look at this thing, 66 Mustang. Beautiful. We've got Paul Thompson's Porsche Cayenne. Thanks for Paul Thompson Real Estate for coming out this morning. Absolutely amazing. Also got this really nice Tirana here, SS A9X. That looks awesome. I love that. Absolutely love this car. That is a beautiful car, this is. I love the orange mixed with the black bonnet as well. Very cool car. We've also got a very nice HJ Kingswood wagon, 5 litre. I think that's a 253, that is. 253, no, that'd be a 308. Very nice. Cortina Mark II. Look at the kids' Cortina. What do we got under here? That is a V8, a Rover V8 as well, in a Cortina. That is very, very fast, that would be. We also got Craig here with his amazing HK panel van. That is cool. We also got an Oldsmobile 442. I really like that. Then we've got, first time on the channel, this is the unveiling of my 2008 Skoda Octavia Scout wagon. 4x4, well, all-wheel drive, 6-speed manual. So this is the first time it's actually been shown here on the channel. And yeah, it's an absolutely amazing car to drive. And hope to have more adventures in this car in the future. This is going to be a really, really nice car to have. And honestly, first time taking it to this meet, it is really nice. Taking it to the meet and just driving it in general, people love it, 100%. As I got Josh's really nice EH Holden with a 179 engine underneath. It looks awesome. Also got a HQ here. It's a HQ. Well, it's a 1-tonner, put it that way. And it has got an LS1 twin turbo as well. That's a twin turbo setup, that is. Wow, amazing. We've got a VN Commodore. That looks cool. Got a Bowell as well, Peter's Bowell. Got Trans Am. That's nice. Also got Phil here with his beautiful, well, Phil and Sarah's amazing 67 Chevy Impala. Love that coupe look. Beautiful. And also this car was featured on OCAR Storytellers, so go have a look at that video. And the backstory behind this car is absolutely amazing. And if you want to see another Storytellers video, drop a comment or send me a message on Facebook saying the story that you've had, whether it's a trip overseas with the car culture that you saw over there or a car that you have that you want to feature. 100%. Got a Statesman DeVille here, very nice. 1979 HZ Statesman, that's awesome. Also got Ben McLucas's gold VL here, love that. And then we also got, this is Alice with her amazing Subaru WRXE, and I love the body kit as well. And you're probably wondering what the plate says. That says Wonderland because her name's Alice. She put Alice in Wonderland, which is awesome. That's very funny, I love it. Dodge Phoenix, have a look at that. That is a nice car, love it. Here we got Jacob with his Supra, parking right next to me. Thank you so much. Have a look at Jacob's Supra here, absolutely amazing. So we've got the 2JZ, and this is 730 wheel horsepower. This is absolutely amazing. This thing is a monster, this is. Absolutely love this car. Thank you for Jacob for bringing his beautiful Mark IV Supra. And have a look at those wheels, very nice. I think those are Workmeisters. And we've got the Brembo brakes as well. Look at that. And also that's his TikTok, MK4 DOS Supra, 100%. That looks absolutely amazing. And we've got my car over here. It's got an Octavia Scout wagon. Have a look at this. We've got the 6-speed manual. And overall this car is just looking absolutely fantastic. This is, and also all these other cars that are along here and all the other cars that have turned up today. Thank you so much for Maryborough Street Machines for putting this on, and happy Anzac Day, and lest we forget. We got David Deem with his XR6FG Falcon. We also got Rob here and his son with his with their VK Commodore, absolutely looking fantastic with the HDT wheels. We also got a few other cars out here that are not a part of the show. We also got this Falcon Ute that keeps coming to the meets. Appreciate it. And then we also got this is Skylar Marsh Photography. This is with his absolutely amazing Caldina. Absolutely love the Caldina, that's for sure. Very beautiful car these are. Don't see them often either. And so everyone, this concludes Oliver's Cars and Reviews for the Maryborough Street Machines Anzac Day Cars and Coffee. So this is absolutely amazing. So right now it is raining at the moment and I don't really want to go outside and get wet. So yeah, this has been absolutely amazing. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell down below as well. And make sure to follow all my social medias as well, Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. Links will be down in the description below. And also, lest we forget, thanks for all the people that sacrificed their lives for our freedom. So happy Anzac Day, and lest we forget. But anyways, this is Oliver's Cars and Reviews, and we'll see you all in that next video. Cheers everyone, OCAR signing out.